How to fix Venmo payment failed. If the payment has failed on Venmo, simply launch the Venmo application first of all. And before you do that, also check your Wi-Fi internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you. Try to restart the application, or you can also try to restart the device. Go to your Play Store, search for Venmo, check if the Venmo app has an update, and if it does, you want to update this app to the latest version. If you are using the Venmo app on Android, you could long press the Venmo app icon, tap on the I button to come to app info page. This setting will be found on any Android device, from where you can go to storage usage, clear the cache files and clear the data, which will log you out by the way, so you have to re-log in again. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.